start by taking our Italian organic extra virgin olive oil and drizzle 2 tablespoons into a large shallow pan on a medium heat. Next, add in a finely diced white onion and sweat that down until it's soft. Add in 2 cloves of finely minced garlic, as well as a tablespoon of chopped fresh sage leaves, and cook those down with the onion until smelling fragrant. Next, add in 150 grams of shredded Cavolo Nero, stalks included, since a lot of Tuscan cooking is based off peasant cooking. Or cucina povera, the Italian phrase that means cooking of the poor, and is all about making sure that no ingredient is wasted, while emphasizing seasonal produce and straightforward flavors. Our tinned organic chickpeas pack in a plant point and half get blended up with 400 milliliters of vegetable stock to create smooth and creamy chickpea broth, which you'll then add back into the pan along with the remaining whole chickpeas for some texture. Serve hot with a drizzle of our extra virgin olive oil and enjoy this rustic and hearty Tuscan-style chickpea and Cavolo Nero soup, which, with its seasonal ingredients and delicious flavors, is simply perfect for this time of year.